here's the instructions. It's a very good help guide actually, very detailed. And let's fold them up and put them back into the sleeve. And now here's a close-up shot of the AirPods 3. They're very good shape and they fit very well in your ear, and they've got great sound too. And they're designed to fit more comfortably in your ear without having silicone ear tips. And here's a close-up view of the case. They don't unfortunately come with a power adapter, so here's a couple I found on Amazon with product links below. And this is the case. It's a MagSafe case, and here is the charging cable. Let's put the charging cable back into the box. And here's another close-up look at the case. Very nice, very compact, fits in your pocket very easy. Let's close the lid and have a quick look at that. And let's put the plastic back on now. So it's nice and neat, as if it was never opened in the first place. There you go, plastic's back on it. And let's place that back into the case. There you go, and let's put the instructions in the sleeve on top. And finally the lid. And it should fit all snugly together. Let's put the tape back on, finally, the final touch. Put the stickers back on. I've remembered how to do it, and there you are, it's all finally back together. Yes, it is. Finally done. Now the great thing about boxing these AirPods rather than unboxing them is that I get to test them out, and now I can take them back to Amazon. But I'm not going to do that because they are too good. And if you want to watch my unboxing video, either play this video in reverse or check out my unboxing video here and my review of these AirPods here. And if you like this video, hit that thumbs up button and subscribe for a lot more tech reviews and help guides to come. Thanks for watching.